Hello traders, this is Scott Stokes, a mentor and an analyst here at Grok Trade. Welcome to the weekend edition, which is good through Sunday, November 28th, 2010. Hope you all had a wonderful and happy Thanksgiving. Taking a look at the S&P index, the overall markets have been trading in this range. Today opened weak, traded lower, and is closing weak. Pull the indexes in. Across the board, we're down. The Dow leading the charge, S&P Composite. The Russells have been showing relative strength to the rest of the market. We'll take a look at that here in a minute. Taking a look at the S&P, you can see this consolidation range that we're trading in this week. Looked like we were going to put in a lower swing high, which was quite bearish. However, the support levels held, came back up, and now we're in this range. That is a sign of strength. Again, with each new bar, we assess the odds. The longer it bases through here, the stronger it gets. The buyers are coming in. We break through this resistance area. Next target level will be this upper previous swing high area. And right now, with the overall strength in the marketplace, with the previous uptrend, and this basing through here, that's giving us quite a bit of strength. It indicates that the weekly has not been able to pull back in any significant way at all. There's not much fear if the buyers are coming in at these levels and not staying out of the way, waiting for it to drop and for them to be able to pick up better prices. So if they're coming in here at these levels, the longer this bases, the stronger it gets. By the same token, the longer it bases, if it breaks, the stronger that break will be as stop orders build up underneath consolidation. Buyers come in, they place their stop loss underneath these support areas, and those are sell orders to close those long positions, which is why oftentimes that first bar out of a break will be a wide range bar. However, we look for this base to break to the upside the longer it builds through this area because of the previous uptrend, which shows up as a flag pattern, high base flag on the longer time frame. The monthlies haven't changed much. Obviously, we're still testing this previous resistance area as we go through here. Should this base on the daily continue to develop and strength to come in and we stay in this range, then we'll look for that break to the upside, which will take us, go back to the monthly, take us 2 to 3 more months higher up into our next resistance areas. Taking a look at the Dow monthly, same thing, the monthlies haven't changed much. The weekly, we're getting that high base potential, shows up on the daily as we trade through this range, very similar patterns to the S&P. S&P and the Dow have been relatively correlated. The Russells, however, have shown strength relative to the other two markets. As you can see, we have already moved up and are testing previous swing highs. That's bullish. Strength has been in the Russells, the smaller cap type stocks. Take a look at the weekly. Nice high base flag through here. We break through that resistance point. The Russells may well lead the charge. And taking a look at the NASDAQ Composite Index, it's been relative strong to the other two as well, though not as strong as the Russells. So our support levels, our resistance levels, we're in this area, this test area. What I'll look for next week is for this consolidation to continue and get prepared for a break one direction or the other as it bases and builds. The longer it bases and builds, the stronger that break would be. The bias, the odds are to the upside with this consolidation through here with these support levels holding. So we'll definitely have the longs prepared. And as those of you who are subscribers to the video newsletter know, we've been structuring long trades even through this pullback and this consolidation. The long trades that have set up technically, because of the strong fundamentals that underlie them, they've done well. You've done well. Those of you who have entered those trades following the rules and the setups off of the V newsletter. So congratulations to you. Have a wonderful weekend. Trade safe, and we look forward to having Des back next week.